The financial services industry is regulated to ensure that borrowing money for productive use is easy and available to those who need it, while consumers are as protected as possible. Your shield is the Consumer Credit Act. This sets out your statutory rights. You should also read the full contract and terms and conditions before signing, as although these can't overwrite your statutory rights, some types of financial services are exempt of some parts of the Consumer Credit Act. The basic rights you should be aware of are your right to cancel, your right to pay off a loan early, and the process if you fall behind on your repayments. Typically, you will have the right to cancel your mortgage within 14 days of signing your contract. It's best to do this in writing, and if possible, send it via recorded delivery. If your 14 days are nearly up, you can give notice of your decision to cancel the agreement verbally or by email. Make absolutely sure that your provider has received your notice of cancellation and keep a record of the date and time the notice was served. Paying off a loan early is the next best thing to cancelling after the 14-day cooling off period is over. Depending on your exact agreement, you can typically pay off a loan early, the advantage of which is to receive a rebate on the interest and charges you've paid. To do this, you can ask your lender to give you an early settlement amount for the loan. This is the total amount you must pay to clear the loan in full. You will then have 28 days to pay this amount if you wish to settle the loan early. Requesting an early settlement amount does not obligate you to settle early. If you fall behind with mortgage repayments, keep a cool head. Money isn't emotional, and you shouldn't be emotional, positive or negative, when making financial decisions. The law sets out a clear process for this eventuality, and many fail-safe policies are in place to protect you, so that even if your money is at risk, your personal liberty is lawfully assured. The first thing your creditor is obligated to do is send you an arrears notice. This notice must include a Financial Conduct Authority information sheet, which gives you key information about how to get help. Following this, and before any further action can be taken against you, they must send a default notice, which also must include a Financial Conduct Authority information sheet. Both the arrears notice and default notice must clearly state what you should pay if you wish to put things right. If any legal action is taken before both of these notices have been served, seek legal help, as you will be within your rights to receive both notices first and then have the opportunity to pay what's due. Finally, help is at hand. You can visit the Citizens Advice website to find out more about your rights, and you can compare mortgage rates on the Reduce My website, as well as finding other helpful videos as part of the Helping Our Future charity.